Garlic supplements are everywhere, but Elare Aged Garlic Extract takes a more polished spin. Today we're asking the big question, does this odorless aged garlic extract actually deliver health benefits or is it just another hype product? Let's find out. So Elare is a high-potency aged garlic extract supplement that delivers the equivalent of 7,500 milligrams of garlic per serving in an odorless soft gel. The brand claims it supports heart and vascular function, healthy blood pressure, immune support, and daily energy without the stink or stomach upset of raw garlic. It's made using garlic aged up to 24 months, so key compounds like allylcysteine, SAC, are more bioavailable and gentler on digestion. Here's where there is actually some backing. Research shows aged garlic extract may help support healthy cholesterol and blood pressure, with some trials noting modest reductions in systolic and diastolic pressures compared with placebo. The aging process reduces harsh compounds, so many users enjoy benefits without garlic breath or digestive discomfort. Customers often report gentler heart health support and improved overall well-being after consistent use. These effects are not unique to Elare. They are seen in several clinical studies of aged garlic extract in general, though results vary. But let's be realistic. Garlic supplements aren't miracle cures. They may modestly lower blood pressure or cholesterol, but results are typically subtle and effects aren't guaranteed for everyone. Independent feedback sometimes highlights issues like billing subscriptions, delivery problems, or product expectations not being met. Some people don't notice any noticeable change in energy or wellness, and aged garlic doesn't replace medication or medical care for heart disease or chronic conditions. So does Elare aged garlic extract work? Sort of, but only in a subtle, supportive way. Aged garlic extract does have research support for modest cardiovascular and immune benefits, and Elare's formulation is gentle and odorless, but it's not a magic pill, and benefits usually take weeks or months of consistent use, plus lifestyle changes to show up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.